The untouched nature, the quality of life, and the promising prospects make Carinthia an exceptional place to live. Affordable and livable spaces are the recipe for successful coexistence. Carinthia's innovative, future-oriented and sustainable companies are always looking for highly qualified employees in future technologies. In Carinthia, you will find stable political and social conditions, excellent medical infrastructure, and a wide range of culture and leisure activities, complemented by a specialized educational program.
The Carinthian Welcome Center is the first place to go if you have questions about arriving and working in Carinthia. I was supported in all essential work and life issues for a good start in Carinthia.
Find your new home and work-life balance living here. Welcome to Carinthia. Carinthia, it's my life.